How much filming time do we have? I didn't even check.
I don't know.
It's okay. We were in our house and it's like a super chill day. Everyone's kind of taking a lazy day. And I walked outside and I was like, dang, it's moody as frick.
Moody. Look at the mountains.
Dude, I know.
Dude.
Yeah, it should be a nice day out here. I just want to do a quick 20-minute challenge of like the moodiest shots we can get in 20 minutes. So we got Jordan over here. We got Austin. It just got real dark real fast. We're gonna see what we can do.
Put a timer for 15 minutes. 15? Oh.
15?
Oh!
Austin just said us at 15 minutes. Oh shoot.
15. Yo, it's getting crazy.
All right.
Basically a 5-minute warning. Oh, okay.
So right now we're walking over to a park that's like super close to our house. I think there's gonna be some nice photo spots over here. We'll see. Dude, how do you think the people of Azusa feel about a guy vlogging everywhere?
I don't think they'll know what vlogging is. With the pandemic, they don't know what's going on.
Coronavirus?
They don't know it.
Oh shoot. Do you think we're gonna finish this challenge strong?
Dude, you have to. You have to go in and be a champion.
It's all you.
You have to be a champion.
Do you feel like you're gonna be able to do it?
Oh, dude, it's all about the photographer. It's not about me.
Nah.
It's a teamwork thing. It's collaboration.
And your model looks like this.
Yeah.
False.
So
It
accurate.
suddenly becomes a lot easier.
I'm not really.
Walk us through the rig. What you got?
I'm not really dressed for the occasion.
Well, what you got?
Today we're using a Nikon D850 with a 2.8 24-70. I'm gonna be doing some POV action so y'all can see what's going on. Yeah. Time's ticking, bro. We gotta go. Hey, this grass is wetter than anyone expected. All right, dude. I'm gonna have you like right in there. Okay. Just kind of give me like a side stance kind of feel. There we go. I'm dialing some settings. Clean. Too clean. All right.
Hype man.
Dead serious face. Ooh, clean. All right, let's see it. Ooh. Clean. All right, we're moving on. Oh. 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 Okay, 9 minutes. Okay. 9 minutes. Let's do it. I'm gonna have you right here. Let's do it. Like, come come out here. Right in here. I want just side profile. Yeah. Fresh. All right. We're out. Actually, bro, mess up your hair. Yeah. There you go. Just like all in your face. One more. Look down. Oh, just like how you were. Yeah. Fresh. All right. We're out. We're already halfway through the challenge.
Look at this boy.
And I'm 2 shots in. Oh, shoot. Okay. There's some dark space over here. Oh, bro, those purple flowers.
Oh, true.
That's the move. We're going to the purple flowers. How much time do we have?
You have 7 minutes and 12 seconds.
7 minutes, bro. Oh, you're already in. Okay. Same. Looking down to the right. Why do I feel like you're gonna be the main model on this YouTube channel, bro? All right, same thing. Can I actually have you lean against this? Yeah. The over. Sick. Oh, this parking lot's nice. Bro, reflections?
Bro,
Reflections?
dude, get this puddle or that puddle.
All right, we're going to puddles. I like that puddle over there. Yeah. I haven't shot with reflections in like a really long time, so we'll see how this goes. I think I'm gonna get a little wet. Oh, I'm gonna set y'all down right here. I'm gonna have to get a little bit wet for this. Oh. Yeah, right there. Give me like a side stance. Yeah, just like that. Stand almost like at the edge of the puddle. Yeah. Soaked. Wait, come back here. This is insane. All right. Yeah, right there. Clean. Yeah. What's the time?
You got 54 seconds.
Bro, this
All
boy
right.
got wet. Look at him.
I got a little bit wet for the shot, but I mean, it's what it takes. I think it'll be a fresh shot. What did we get total? Like 4?
Setups?
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 setups.
4 setups.
I think we can get one more.
One more?
Let's do one more.
We have 30 seconds, bro. Let's go. Black fence. 30 seconds, bro. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. Hold that right there. All right, dude. Wait, hold your glasses out at me. Just like that. Oh, that's sick. All right, that's time.
We did it!
We did it. I think that's enough shots, dude. We'll see. I think that was like, what, 6 total shots? Bro.
Some post-worthy.
Thank you, man. Dude, that was a sick day. We were just like chilling, bored inside, and I was like, why not go outside and film a video, get these shots as fast as we can. Jordan helped out a ton. Thank you so much, bro, for just coming out and shooting. We'll see. Dark Moody edits, 20-minute challenge. We're gonna do some more in like different cities. I want to keep this series up, so stay tuned, stick around. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Yeah?
Dude, it's great.
I think that'll do.